Welcome to these stretches for your neck, shoulders, and upper back pain relief. We're going to start in a sitting position, table in, activate your stomach, your abdomen, shoulders back and down, make sure they are in distance to your ears, chin to your chest, lengthen your spine. If you need it, you can sit on top of a cushion. Start moving your head side to side, slowly accompanying a relaxed breathing by your nose. Now start drawing an infinite symbol in front of you with your nose. Slowly circles. Feel the movement. Change the direction. Very well. Now take your left side of your face and stretch the upper back. Make sure the shoulders are back and down. Lengthen your spine. And to the pose. Wrap your neck. Inhale, extend. Exhale, flex. Inhale, extend. Table out. Exhale, table in. Inhale, move the full back, exhale. Now take the other side of the face and stretch as much as you can, chin to your chest. Open your column, shoulder back, and to the pose again. Wrap your neck, extend, inhale, flex, extend and flex. Very well. Now we're going to work with our belt. So, right hand up and left hand climbing through the belt. Try to join as much as you can their hands. Sit in a comfortable pose. Stretch their spine and go to the right side a little bit and go to the center. Inhale deeply, exhale and do the pose. Roll your shoulders. Well done. Take the belt with both hands. Extend your arms. Inhale, go to one side, to the other. Exhaling. Well done. One side to other. And now change. You take the belt with your left hand up and right hand down. Climb through the belt. Lengthen your spine. shoulders back and go a little bit to your right side and go to the center. Inhale deeply, exhale and do the pose and roll your shoulders very well. Take with both hands again and go to the one side to other. Ground your hips on the cushion or on the floor and move the upper body. Well done. Now inhale, arms up, exhale, arms down. Just move your arms, your shoulders are back and down. No tension. Well done. Take off the cushion, extend your legs, massage in a little bit. Raise your arms, exhale, foot forward. Inhale and exhale deeply. Now into the pose. Inhale, arms up, exhale, hands to your heart. Sit on top of the cushion again. Flex your knees. Bend your elbows. Inhale, extend in front your arms. Inhale, bend your elbows. Exhale, extend arms. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Very well. Move your spine. Now, left hand to your right knee and open your right arm and close it. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale to the front. Inhale. Now change right hand on your left knee and open your left arm and close it on the front. Inhale, exhale. Well done. Round your shoulders. Right arm on top of the left. Hold your hands and rotate arms inside. You're going to place your left hand and flex your body to that side. Place the right hand and flex your body to the other. Try to make the movement synchronize with your breathing. Inhale, exhale, go to the center. Inhaling to the other side. Well done. Now, change the position of your feet. And look up. Exhale, chin to your chest, and then go step by step to the floor. Massaging a little bit your forehead on the floor if you reach it. If not, move a little bit. Stay relaxed. And exhaling, step by step, go again to the sitting position. Extending your legs, inhale, look up, exhale, go full forward. You can look up to your feet, inhaling, exhaling, look to your knees. Make sure your column is extended. So you can do a chin mudra if you hold your soles to your feet, Exhaling, roll back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look to your feet. Well done. Now you're gonna place your right leg on top of your left, both knees bent. Try to be aligned with your column. If your right leg is on top, go with your left arm and hold as possible. Shoulders back and down, lengthen your spine, activate your abdomen and your pelvic floor. And breathe deeply in this pose. Inhale and exhale into the pose. Open your legs as much as you can. Both feet flexed. Open your chest and walk with your hands a little bit on the floor. And let your body go down. If you can, walk back, stay comfortable. Leave your body as much as you can relaxed. Well done. And into the pose. Hug your legs and relax on your knees. Inhale and exhale, change. Now your left leg is on top of your right. Make sure your knees are aligned with your column. Right arm on top of the left, rotate, take it, and hold this pose. You can close your eyes and breathe. Very well. To the pose, open your chest. Now get into quadruped. Inhale and exhale, move your scapulas. Leave your chest go down and up. Make your arms work. Push in the floor and exhale, go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale and exhale, place your knees on the floor, extend the column, exhale, back to Adho Mukha. Inhale, extend, exhale, flex, in Adho Mukha. Inhale, to quadruped. Exhaling, go to Adho Mukha. Now you're gonna walk at the beginning of the mat. Inhale and exhale, try to sit on the floor. Move your head side to side. Now you're going to round your back on the floor. Make sure your column is curved and go to Halasana. Place your hands on your back or extend your arms on the floor. Make sure you're breathing and you breathe out by by your nose, slowly, calm. Now turn to the pose. Place your arms on the floor and go very slowly. Extend your legs. Place your hands under your gluteus and place the top of your head on the floor. Put your chest in Uttanasana. Inhale by your nose, exhale by your mouth. Open your heart and into the pose. Place your hands on the belly. Feel your breath over there. And go again with the work on your upper back. Inhale, extend your arms. Exhale, shoulders to the floor. Inhale, extend. Exhale, place the shoulders on the floor. Hug your legs in Uttanasana. And now sit with the soles of your feet together in Konasana. Inhale, look up. Exhale, go down. Your elbows on the floor or in the inner part of your legs. And relax your shoulders. Relax your face. Relax your neck. Relax your head. Exhaling, roll up. Now you look on the soles of your feet. Open it and go down. Now press with your elbows on the inner part of your legs. Activate your abdomen and hold the pelvic floor in. Inhale and exhale deeply and slowly. And into the pose. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to your chest. Now sit in a comfortable position. Move a little bit if you need it. I like to put a cushion over me. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, shoulders down. Place your hands on your knees, palms up, and enjoy your day. Namaste.